Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel 1 to Step, and in today's video I'll be teaching you how to fix cell issues on your iPhone. Before getting started, if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. Now let's get started. First of all, make sure your iOS is up to date or not. To check, go to your settings app, then tap on general. After that, tap on software update. And if you see any update on this page, tap on update, and once your iOS is up to date to the latest firmware, your problem might have been fixed. After doing this, if you're still getting the problem, the next option you can try is turning off your cellular and turning it back on. To do so, go to your settings homepage, then tap on this option cellular, then again tap on cellular data, then tap on this option off, then again turn it on. After doing that, again check if your problem has it fixed. Even after doing this, if you're still getting the problem, the next step you can try is turning on the data roaming. To turn on data roaming, again tap on cellular, then tap on the SIM. After that, toggle this option where it says data roaming. Once you do that, your problem will be fixed. But again, if you're still getting the problem, the other option you can try is restarting your phone. And once again check if your problem has been fixed. And if you're still getting the problem, the last option you can try is restarting your network setting. To restart your network setting, go back to the settings app, then scroll a bit down, then tap on general. After that, scroll a bit down, then tap on this option transfer or reset iPhone. Then tap on reset. Then tap on reset network settings. Once you do that, you'll be asked to enter your password. Once you enter your phone's password, your phone will restart once. After doing that, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time I upload new videos. And I'll catch you on the next one.